Hi friends, this is Swami Natalkar and we are introducing Samarth Electronics newly made ultrasonic chiller sonicator. It's ultra chill. By our past experience, we have seen in the pharma fields actually due to the ultrasonic vibrations, the ultrasonic temperature in the bath actually rises. Due to the vibrations of the ultrasonic energy, the liquid temperature in the bath was rising, and which made them to use dry ice bags, and many of the people were using external chillers which were consuming space in the cases. We have introduced this our brand new machine Ultra Chill. In this we have built an inbuilt chiller. This is a complete one inbuilt machine where this is our sonicator. This is our basket. You can see it. This is our temperature indicator from timer, and beneath is our chiller. It's a compact one-piece body in this sonicator. Now we will demonstrate the machine. Now we have filled this tank with fresh liquid. Okay. This is our main switch. This display is our timing, and this is your temperature. This at present is showing you the actual temperature of the water, and this is the default timing actually we have given. You can set it up till 2 degrees. You see the chiller is on. We set the timing. And this is your ultrasonic on. Now your machine sonicator along with chiller has been switched off. You can see the temperature gradually decreases on the display. Now you can see this, the temperature has gone down up to 4 degrees. This is your temperature indicator. The timing balance is fine. Okay, you can see this, all the ice forming on the side collars of the ultrasonic chamber. I will remove this basket so you can easily see. You see this ice forming. Okay. Now you can see this. We have made this machine like that. You can use it as a table, the scholar as a table also, to keep your glass vase on the surface. You can see these vibrations in the liquid itself. You can remove your glass first and keep it on this collar. You can use it as your working table. It's off. Thank you.